Adobe Firefly is Adobe's AI-powered image generation tool, built into Photoshop, Illustrator, and the Adobe ecosystem. But is it actually useful? And should you use it in 2026? Here's a quick, honest breakdown. What Firefly is. Firefly is a generative AI tool that creates images, text effects, and design assets using simple prompts. Unlike many AI tools, it is designed to be commercial safe, meaning Adobe claims it's trained on licensed and stock content to reduce copyright issues. You can use it directly in Adobe apps or through the Firefly web app. Key features. First, text to image generation lets you type a prompt and get realistic or stylized images in seconds. Second, generative fill in Photoshop is the standout feature. You can remove objects, extend backgrounds, or add new elements seamlessly inside your existing images. Third, text effects and vector generation help designers quickly create stylized typography and icons. Finally, Firefly is tightly integrated with Adobe tools, which makes it powerful for professional workflows. Pros. One big advantage is ease of use. If you already use Adobe products, Firefly feels natural and fast. Another plus is commercial safety, which is important for businesses and freelancers who want to avoid copyright risks. Also, the quality of editing tools, especially generative fill, is one of the best in the industry right now. Cons. However, Firefly isn't perfect. The image generation can feel less creative or detailed compared to tools like Midjourney in some cases. It also depends heavily on credits in certain Adobe plans, which can limit heavy users. And while it's improving, it still struggles with highly complex or artistic prompts. Who it's for. Firefly is best for designers, marketers, and content creators who already use Adobe software and need fast, reliable AI tools for real projects. If you are looking for pure artistic AI generation, other tools might still be better. Final verdict. Adobe Firefly is one of the most creative AI image generator, but it is one of the most practical. Its strength is workflow integration and safe commercial use. If you are in the Adobe ecosystem, it's absolutely worth using. If not, it depends on whether you need professional editing tools or pure AI creativity. That is the quick review of Adobe Firefly. If you want comparisons with Midjourney or DALL-E, let me know down below in the comments. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.